Hi, welcome back. The problem today is a little bit simpler than the others, but today we will do this by two methods. The reason I want to show you two ways to find x in the equation because when you do the exercise or do your homework from the school, we may apply the first method for a few of cases, but we can also apply the second method for another equation as well. Then let's see if you can apply the first one or the second one in your exercise. Now let's get started with the first one. In the first way to solve the equation, we can consider to move 7 to the left side. Then we rewrite x minus 7 equal square root x minus 1. And the next is we just square both sides of equation and we rewrite it into x squared minus 14x plus 49 equal x minus 1. And remember that from the first one, we have the condition x must be greater or equal than 7. Why? Because the square root is always greater than 0. Then the x minus 7 must be greater or equal than 0. So that's the condition of x. And now let's continue with the equation. We rewrite the equation into x squared minus 15x plus 50 equal 0. And the next step is pretty simple. We just factorize the left side of equation. Then we have x squared minus 10x minus 5x plus 50 equals 0. So now we have x times x minus 10 minus 5 times x minus 10. And we can group the x minus 10 and in another bracket is x minus 5 equals 0. And now we can see that the value of x can be 10 or 5. But we have the condition x must be greater or equal to 7. So we just select the first one, x equal to 10. And we remove the x equal to 5. So that's the first method to solve this equation. Now let's move to the second method. For the second way, we have x minus 7 equal square root x minus 1. With this method, it's a little bit tricky. The first thing you need to do is you must to guess the value of x in this equation. And in this case, I can easily to know x equals 10. And then what is the next? When x equal to 10, you will have on the left side x minus 7. So you need to match it with 3, like x minus 7 minus 3, and it will become x minus 10. When x minus 10, it will become the 0 on left side. And on the right side, you will minus 3 as well. And we can rewrite like this: x minus 10 equal square root x minus 1 minus 3. And now we need to transform the right side into the factorization contain x minus 10. How we can do that? So we just do like this. We have x minus 1 minus 3, and we multiply by square root x minus 1 plus 3. On both sides. So on the right side, we can remember something like a power up 2 minus b power up 2 equal a minus b, a plus b. We can apply this. And this is a, it is a b, and then we have square root x minus 1 plus 3 x minus 10 equal x minus 1 minus 9 equal x minus 10. Here we go. So then we can group the x minus 10, and another bracket we have x minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 equal 0. Because this one always greater than 0, so it means there is one variable x to make this equal to 0 is 10. So 10 is the value we need to find for x. So you see that the second method is really difficult than the first one, but when you can guess the value of x, you can use some simple fraction or factors to solve the problem. I hope two methods can help you in your homework or your exercise. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe or like video if you like it. Thank you.